أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We completed to Lam and Meen, and we are starting today from the Noon. Noon is one word from alphabets of Arabic, one word, and this pronouncing place is in English. I am giving you example in English. N O O N, N O O N, noon, like non, non Muslim or non-Muslim, non. It's don't forget it example, non. Okay, non. It's some difference. This word is noon, afternoon, good afternoon. Second example I am giving you now. Okay, afternoon, noon. It's noon. Okay, how many dots top and down?
Only so two O.
No.
And O and
How many dots top and down?
one top.
Top.
One dot top.
Yeah. And its example, don't forget second example, is noon. Like in English, afternoon. Its name, noon. What is name this word? Noon. Okay. Yeah, noon. And these also this in using in Quran and Arabic language 100 billions time. Alhamdulillah. This noon you already Alhamdulillah. I explained for you this noon pronouncing style, place, example in English. Alhamdulillah. You don't forget example after noon, and pronouncing place is like N. GHGHIJKLM N. Okay. Yeah.
And
Noon. What is this? Noon. For example,
noon. Afternoon.
Yeah. Mashallah. And we are trying now in Quran, Surah Fatiha, inshallah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu. 100 billion times using in Quran and Arabic and English, Arabic books, Sunnah, Hadith books. Like our topic is only pronouncing Tajweed and pronouncing place correction. Now we are only focusing on our lesson. Okay. Yeah, you try practice in your home, no issue. Collect help from Google and other books, or open the Quran, no issue. It's available for you. But in this class we are practicing in this, only focusing on this noon. Okay, noon have one dot on the top side, and tip of your tongue, noon, and throat side. Okay, tip of your tongue, upper throat side to touch, then pronounce. You will pronounce inshallah this one. Okay, noon. Yeah, noon. Afternoon is afternoon. No, in day, in 24-hour, one step is afternoon. Evening, afternoon, good morning, good night, good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon is it's one okay, in nature, in our English countries, in English pupils. Yeah, afternoon. Hello, how are you? Good afternoon, good evening, good night, good morning, and it's good afternoon. Okay, this one. Yeah, After that, one time please tell me from the alif to this word. I will check your memory. After that, if I will feel your memory is ready for this memorization, after that I will touch you, touch next letter. Inshallah, we will teach you touch, inshallah, next letter. If we, alhamdulillah, uh, only this today. Okay, please one time from the alif to this. Yeah.
Bismillah, Bismillah. Alif, ba, ta, ha, jim, ha, ha, dal, 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 ra, za, shin, shin, sad, dad, ha, sad, dad, ta, da, ain, ain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon.
Lam spellings in English. Tell me please now.
Lam. Lam.
And okay. Like a little. Okay. Lam. Meme example. Tell me. Also alphabets. Alphabet spells English, please.
M-E-E-M. Meme.
Meme means
Light.
Muhammad.
Little light.
Muhammad.
Muhammad.
Meme. M-E-E-M. Meme.
Muhammad.
And today's lesson which?
Noon. N-O-O-N. Afternoon. With one
Yeah.
dot.
Noon. Mashallah. What word in Quran? Quran. Q-U-R-A-N. What is the last word in Quran? Noon.
Can you repeat again?
One. Tell me Quran spellings in English. Q-U-R-A-N.
Quran. Q-U-R-A-N.
N.
Quran.
N. Last is N. Last N. It's this noon and N same. N. N.
Barakallah, I see.
Okay, yeah, it's using in Quran last letter, last in Quranic word, last word. What is Quran sentence last? In Quran have how many words? Q-U-R-A-N, 5 words. Okay, and what is the first word? Q, after that U, after that R, after that A, after that N. Our topic is N, noon.
Barakallah.
And in Arabic, I am just give you example. Quran in Arabic, Quran word Qaf, Ra, Alif, Noon. Last word is Noon in Quran. Okay, yeah. After that, today's lesson is I think Yakfi. Yakfi, Sheikh. Yakfi means if you want new next lesson, then I will teach you inshallah. Ha.
Inshallah.
Next is okay, no issue. Ha we will read tomorrow in next class inshallah. Okay.
Tomorrow, inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah. After this, after I have completed this alphabets of Arabic, after that we will teach you this alphabets with signs, with different shapes in Quran, using an Arabic book. How we'll use this Arabic words? Inshallah, I will teach you in different style in this alphabet inshallah. Okay, and now we will touch to inshallah dua's lesson. Okay.